Hi, it's Topper Chef back again. Today I'm gonna show you to make cashew paste. Now, cashew paste, almond paste is two kinds of paste which are used for thickening and bring out a better, rich taste to the sauce. We rarely use cream in Indian cooking, just like the French or the Italian cookery does. We use yogurt, cashew paste, and almond paste. So this is the base cashew paste which will be used for thickening any kind of korma sauces. Korma means rich, shahi means princely or richly sauce. So those sauces have to be thickened with cashew, which is kind of a flavorful kind of a nut, and that imparts a good flavor to our sauces or our gravies or our curries. Okay, so now for the cashew paste, all we have done is we bought 1 pound of cashews, soak them in water overnight, and I'm gonna take this and put this in the blender, not too much of water, and just blend it into a fine paste. Okay, so now we put all this cashew and I put little water, and I will see the consistency and we can add little more water. In the meantime, I've taken some ice pieces which I put into this. I don't know why we do this, but I know for sure when I used to work in the Indian kitchen at a hotel, they used to put this ice pieces so that the cashew paste comes really white. So that's what I'm going to follow, which I learned from chefs before. So now I'm going to start it. It's going to make some noise. So this is how it's going to blend completely together. This you can do also almond paste the same way, but you got to either boil the almonds, because almonds are really hard. So you got to boil the almonds and peel out the skin to keep it white. Or some people use just almonds, whole almonds. You can use almond powder from the grocery store, and you can use it for your korma sauce too. Okay, so now you can see this is blended well, and you can look at this consistency. It looks like a idli batter. And what I'm gonna do is now, this is a lot of cashew paste, but this is how I make and keep whenever I need it. I don't need a lot of it, but I keep it frozen, so whenever I need it, I take it out and use it for thickening for my korma sauces.